Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510. Wait another quick pickup video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you can see here I have two shoes here. Picked these up this past Saturday. So let's crack this open. Basically one I was able to grab from Footaction. And the other one I was able to grab from Footlocker. Basically both shoes were on the reservation app of the Footaction and the Footlocker reservation app. So as you can see, both are size 10, and these are the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. These are the Game Royals. So let's crack this open right here. Suggested retail is $160. So again, as I mentioned, this one is from Footaction right there. Just regular paper, white paper. And here are the shoes. Right here. Let's do a quick 360 of the shoe itself. You can see you got the Game Royal bottom right there, Nike branding, white midsole, and then the leather quality is okay. It's nothing great. So I would say it's probably very similar to the Black Toes, which recently released, which is probably this right here. So as far as material wise, I would say it's very similar to this. So if you have the Black Toes and you're wanted to grab this and you just wanted to see quality wise, I would say it's very similar to the Black Toes. Again, you get the black Nike swoosh, you got the Air Jordan Wings logo right there. Just a clean shoe in my opinion. Got the black laces, and you do have the extra blue laces in the bag right there. You got that Nike Air on the tongue. So, Nike Air inside. Again, as I mentioned, just a clean shoe, and blue is my favorite color, so these were a must for me right there. Show the other pair. Again, this one is from Footlocker. Again, right there. This is the Footlocker pair right here. Again, the blue laces in the bag. Right there. So just a quick look at my recent pickup from Doctor and in-store pickup. So if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.